After every use, lift the release latch and remove the dirty water tank. Pour the dirty liquid through the pour spout. Then run a sanitization cycle. Before each use, wipe the dock base with a dry cloth. Make sure the clean solution tank is at least 1/4 full with clean water only, and the dirty water tank is empty. Place the unit on the dock and press the self-clean button once. The cycle runs for 3 minutes, followed by a 60-minute quiet drying cycle. Once complete, remove the nozzle cover, pull out the brush roll, and place it on the drying post to air dry fully before reassembling. Hand washing and drying are only necessary for use with the standard dock. To remove the brush roll, remove the clean water tank to access the eject button. Then lift off the nozzle cover and pull the brush roll out using the grip tab. Keep in mind that hair accumulation is normal and can be removed by cutting off any hair, fibers, or string. Run a self-clean cycle after every use to prevent odors. Now you'll clean the floor components. Lift off the lid, tap out any solid debris, rinse all parts, and allow everything to air dry completely before reassembling. Rinse any tools or attachments used in wet mode. The detailer mop tool pad can be machine washed at a low temperature. Do not tumble dry. For the pleated filter, pull it out by the center tab, use a soft, dry brush to remove dust and debris, then rinse under lukewarm water until the water runs clear. Allow the filter to air dry fully before reinserting. Replace both the brush roll and filter every 6 months. To buy replacements, visit sharkninja.com. After every other use, run a speed wash cycle to clean the wand. Fill the speed wash cup with water, set the clean path selector to the down position with the unit on, and submerge the wand end. Suction flushes residual dirt into the dirty water tank. Be sure to empty the dirty water tank after each use. To clean the wand drip cup, pull it upward to unclip it, rinse under the tap to clear any debris, and reattach.